In the previous video, I have discussed about the triangles, their types. So now let's do 15b. This exercise is based on triangles and their types. So that concept should be very clear. Then only you can find this exercise very easy. So let's start. Question number 1. Find the unknown angles in the given figure. So subpart 1. First you can name the triangle. Clear? So I have named here A, B and C, and you can see in the figure it is given that AB is equal to AC. So we can write that triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. AB is equal to AC, therefore angle X is equal to angle Y. Sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So we can write X plus Y plus 80 degree equal to 180 degree. And so X plus X, because X is equal to Y, so we can write X plus X plus 80 is equal to 180. And so 2X is equal to 180 minus 80 equal to 100. And so X is equal to 100 by 2 equal to 50 degree. So Y is 50 means X is also equal to 50 degree. Next, again first name the triangle. So ABC, as I have done here. Here again it is given two sides equal, means this is an isosceles triangle. So AB equal to BC. Angle B will be equal to what? 40 degree, because of the isosceles triangle. The sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So 40 plus A plus B equal to 180 degree. So 40 plus A, instead of B we can write what? 40 degree, and this is equal to 180 degree. So A plus 80 degree equal to 180 degree, and A is equal to 180 minus 80 degree equal to 100 degree. Now subpart 3. So in subpart 3, sides are given equal. Clear? So first we will name the triangle ABC. In this AB is equal to BC. It means X will be equal to Y. Okay. So again 90 plus X plus Y equal to 180 degree. So 90 plus X is equal to 180 degree. 2X is equal to 180 minus 90 equal to 90 degree. And so X is equal to 90 by 2, that is 45 degree. So X is also 45 and angle Y is also 45 degree. Now subpart 4, again we will first name a triangle. So I have named here A, B and C. So this is a triangle ABC. Angle B is equal to what? Angle A. Why? Because it is given in the question that AB is equal to BC. So again we will write B plus A plus 80 degree equal to 180 degree. In place of A we can write B. So B plus B plus B plus B plus 80 degree equal to 180. So 2B is equal to 180 minus 80, that is 100. Angle B is equal to 100 by 2, that is 50 degree. And A is equal to 50 degree because A is equal to B. Now B plus X is equal to what? 180 degree. Adjacent angle, linear pair angle, supplementary angle, all any reason you can write it. So 50 plus X is equal to 180 degree, and so X is equal to 180 minus 50 equal to 130 degree. Now subpart 5. In subpart 5 again you name a triangle here. So triangle is what? AB is equal to, in this triangle ABC, AB equal to AC. So angle A is equal to angle B. So X plus 86 is equal to 180 degree. Reason is adjacent angle, and X is equal to what? 180 minus 86, that is 94. Again AB is equal to AC, angle A is equal to angle B. Then we can write X plus A plus B equal to 180 degree, and so X plus A equal to 180 degree, because A is equal to B. So in place of B we can write A. So X plus 2 angle A equal to 180 degree. X is equal to 94 plus 2 angle A is equal to 180. So 2 angle A equal to 180 minus 94 equal to 86. And so angle A will be equal to what? 86 divided by 2 equal to 43 degree. And A is equal to B, so B will also be equal to 43 degree. Now we have to find out the value of P. So B plus P is equal to 180 degree. Adjacent angle or supplementary angle or linear pair, any you can write it. So in place of B we can write 43. So 43 plus P equal to 180, and so P is equal to 180 minus 43 equal to 137 degree. Now next we will name a triangle. So ABCD. Again first we will take a triangle ADC. So in ADC it is given AD is equal to DC. So and M is equal, so M will be equal to what? 35 degree. Because in isosceles triangle what happened, when two sides are equal, then the base angles are also equal. Again in triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. Angle A is equal to 60 plus 35, angle B is equal to N, and angle C is equal to M, and this all we will add, and this will be equal to 180 degree. So 60 plus 35 is 95 plus N plus, in place of M we can write 35 degree. Clear? Then N plus 130 equal to 180, and N is equal to 180 minus 130 is equal to 50 degree. Now next, again we will name a triangle. So A, B, C and D, as I have done, you can see on the screen. So in triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC, and so X plus A equal to 180 degree, because sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. AB is parallel to CD, so angle X will be equal to 60 degree, alternate angle. Then 60 plus 2A is equal to 180 degree. When we will solve, we will get 2A is equal to 180 minus 60, that is 120, and so A is equal to what? 120 divided by 2 is equal to 60 degree. Now A plus Y is equal to 180 degree. Clear? Reason is adjacent angle, so in place of A we can write 60 degree. So 60 plus Y is equal to 180, and Y is equal to 180 minus 60 equal to 120 degree. Now next, question number 2, subpart 1. You will name the triangle as I have done, ABCD. Then in triangle ACD, AC is equal to CD, and angle ADC is equal to 70 degree. So 70 degree plus ADC plus X is equal to 180 degree. Then 70 plus 70, value of ADC will be what? Yes, 70 degree, because this is an isosceles triangle. So 70 plus X equal to 180 degree, and X is equal to 180 minus 140, that is 40 degree. So X is equal to 40 degree. Now again we will take a triangle ABD. So in triangle ABD, DBA plus angle BAD plus angle DAB is equal to 180 degree. BD is equal to AD, it is given, means again this is an isosceles triangle. So angle DAB will also be equal to Y, and angle ADB is equal to what? 180 minus ADC, adjacent angle, reason. Then angle ADB is equal to 180 minus 70 equal to 110. So again you take a triangle ABD. In this, Y plus 110 is equal to 180, and so 2Y is equal to 180 minus 110 equal to 70 degree, and so Y is equal to 70 by 2 equal to 35 degree. Clear? Okay. Now next, subpart 2. In subpart 2, first we name a triangle as I have done here. Clear? A, B, D and C. So first we will take a triangle ABD. In triangle ABD, AB is equal to BD. Angle ABD plus BDA plus DAB equal to 180 degree. Then angle ABD plus BDA plus BDA is equal to 180 degree, because BDA and DAB are what? Equal. 100 plus 2BDA is equal to 180 degree. So 2BDA is equal to 180 minus 100 equal to 80 degree. Now angle BDA is equal to what? 80 by 2 is equal to 40 degree, and this is equal to DAB. Again in triangle ADC, AC is equal to CD is equal to DA, means this is an equilateral triangle. So DAC plus angle ACD plus CDA is equal to 180 degree. And you know, in equilateral triangle all the angles are equal, all the sides are also equal, and all the angles are also equal. So we can write DAC plus DAC, means we can write DAC 3 times. Okay, so this will be equal to 180 degree, and so 3 DAC is equal to 180 degree, and so DAC is equal to 180 by 3 equal to 60 degree. Now X is equal to what? DAB plus DAC, and DAB is 40 degree, DAC is 60 degree, so 100 degree. Again angle Y is equal to ADB plus ADC, and so 40 plus 60, this is equal to 100 degree. Clear? 6. You can name a triangle as I have done. So ABC. Clear? So in first we will write what? First we will write that P is equal to PQ is parallel to RS, it is given. So angle P will be equal to 60 degree alternate angle, and 130 is equal to what? 60 plus x, alternate angle. You can see also figure, alternate angle. So x is equal to 130 minus 60, and so x is equal to 70 degree. Now we have to find out the value of y. Okay, so y how we'll find out? 60 in triangle ABC. Clear? 60 plus, no, simple, we can take this also, PQ. So PAQ is a straight line, so 60 plus x plus y is equal to 180 degree. So 60 plus 70 plus y is equal to 180 degree. Clear? And so 130 plus y is equal to 180 degree. So y is equal to 180 minus 130, this is equal to 50 degree. So we have three things we have to find here, P, X and Y. So P is equal to 60, X is equal to 70, and Y is equal to 50 degree. Now in next, you name a triangle as I have done, A, B, C and D. So in triangle ABC, AB equal to AC, and so angle ABC is equal to ACB. Then again 30 degree plus ABC plus ACB is equal to 180 degree. So 30 plus ABC plus ABC equal to 180 degree, because AB is equal to what? AC. So angle ABC will be equal to angle ACB. Now 2ABC is equal to 180 minus 30 equal to 150, and so ABC is equal to 150 degree. Now in triangle BCD, BC is equal to CD. So angle CBD is equal to angle CDB. Now CBD plus CDB plus BCD is equal to 180 degree. So CBD plus CBD, because BC is equal to what? CD, the base angles will also be equal, and plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. So 2 angle CBD equal to 180 minus 90, that is 90 degree, and so angle CBD is equal to 90 by 2 equal to 45 degree. So angle CBD is equal to CDB is equal to 45 degree, and this is equal to y also. So the value of y is 45 degree, and value of x will be what? Value of x will be equal to ABC plus CBD, and ABC is 150, CBD is 45. We will add, we will get to 195. Okay. Now next, in you will name the triangle ABC. Then in triangle ABC, AB is equal to BC, and angle BAC is equal to BCA. Then 40 degree plus BAC plus BCA is equal to 180 degree. 40 degree plus BAC plus BCA, in place of BCA we can write again BAC, because this is an isosceles triangle, so 180 degree. So 40 degree plus 2 BAC is equal to 180, and so angle BAC is equal to what? 140 divided by 2, that is 70 degree. So x is equal to what? 180 minus 70, 110. The reason is adjacent angle. Angle BCA is 70 degree, y is equal to 180 minus 70, that is 110. So the value of x is 110, and value of y is also 110. Clear? Now next, again you name a triangle as I have done, ABCD. So in triangle ABD, first let's take this one, that ABC we have to find out. So how we'll find out at ABC? ABC is equal to 180 minus 120 is equal to 60 degree. Reason is adjacent angle. Again AB is equal to AC, it is given, and angle ACB is equal to 60 degree. Clear? So because the base angles are equal. Now in triangle ABC, clear, x plus 60 is equal to 180. So x is equal to 180 minus 120 equal to 60 degree, and y is equal to 180 minus 60 is equal to 120 degree. Reason is adjacent angle. So x is 60 and y is 120 degree. Now in triangle ABD, angle ABD plus BDA plus DAB is equal to 180 degree. ABD is 60 degree, BDA is 25 degree, and DAB is equal to what? DAB is equal to x plus z. This is equal to 180 degree. Now 60 plus 25 plus 60 plus z is equal to 180. So 145 degree plus z is equal to 180, and so z is equal to 180 minus 145 is equal to 35 degree. The rest of the questions I will do it in the next video.